Happy Sunday, folks, from a known destination to you. If you have seen beach day number 40 back on 1st of July, I am revisiting a nudist beach here in Stockholm, and this one is called on Google Maps Orhem Naturistbad. But I'm quite wondering if this is really a nudist beach or not, as it only had one Google review. So anyway, it's one of my most viewed videos this year. So as I am getting closer to my goal of 200 beach days this year, I am also revisiting now some of the most viewed videos this year, as I'm also running out of beaches to visit that are close to my home as I'm cycling, and I don't want to cycle that long now that it's cold, because today it's only 3 degrees Celsius in the air, so 5 degrees lower temperature outdoors than yesterday. And yes, this is a nice jetty here on the lake Drevviken. It has 2 sitting benches and it has 1 entrance to the lake. And as I mentioned, it is noted as a Naturistbad or nudist beach on Google Maps, but I'm not really sure if it is actually. So let's just go with what Google Maps has to say. And the lake, the coast of the lake has covered some grass that we're gonna clear up a bit in order to take our dip today. And this is beach day 186 on West Sweden Beach Adventures this year. So we are getting close to the last goal, 200, which is, so it's only 14 days left. Unfortunately, the forecast it's very bad. It's gonna be around 0 degrees in the upcoming 2 weeks. So wish me luck, because I'm definitely going to need it. What else? Yes, this is in the area called Orhem, that has lots of colonies, and by colonies I mean that people are having their fritidshus, or like / summer houses that they used to plant and grow some vegetables and plants throughout the summer season. But yes, some people also live all year around, because it is very close to the central part of Stockholm. From my home, this beach is only located 8.5 kilometers, and it's right in the middle of the Flatten Nature Reserve, so it's nature all around, as you can see. Anyway, 12th of November is the day today, Sunday, so let's take a quick dip in the lake Drevviken and check out the temperature as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to clean up the grass here. That's more like it. So the lake feels a bit cold, so I think it's gonna be around 6 degrees Celsius if I'm not completely out of line here. So look at that, I made a very nice circle here. Perfect for a quick dip today. And I'm gonna freeze a bit when I'm going home with my bicycle, but that's okay. That's all right. Okay, I'm going down. Ooh. Okay, now the wind comes. When the wind comes, that means it's colder and colder, actually. And temperature in the water. Okay, 7 degrees Celsius. Not bad. Not bad at all. So 1 degree. Actually, I was yesterday in Drevviken and I think it was 6 degrees there. So this is another lake, so 1 degree warmer. Let's go. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive. So nice. So nice and refreshing. Despite this grass around me. So good. These winter baths are so nice and refreshing for the body and for the mindset. Okay, that's a wrap from Orhem Naturistbad here in Stockholm. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!